outside all conventional reality, my higher self appeared, dancing across the Dakini womb ship, all dressed up in a pearlescent, liquid light, dragon piggy armor of diamonds. On board, I received the name of the Dakini Agency, and more Dakinis arrived on their starships from diverse galaxies across the multiverse, which activated the idea to create a cosmic Piggy Dragon Hub to play, share, and promote our crafts, visions, and services, broadcasting a wild spectrum of interstellar Earth Dakinis on our mission to support the planetary upgrades into the new future frequencies, crafty, free, and joyfully. Celebrating and exploring our unique ideas and abilities while uniting collectively.